Hello friends, as you can see on the screen, there are two machines, two DC machines present, okay. One of them is DC motor, one of them is DC generator. Now, can you be able to judge from just seeing the machines without the nameplate that which one is DC motor and which one is DC generator? Can you be able to do that? For me, it is very difficult actually. Now I am going to tell you about the reason why it is so difficult. You can say that, sir, without that nameplates, how will we be able to differentiate between them? Actually, there is no method by means of which you will be able to know which one is DC motor and which one is DC generator, because motor and generator construction wise they are totally alike. They are totally alike, and you believe me, there is no such option that you can have to actually differentiate between them. Manufacturer, they put the DC generator and motor nameplates there to actually differentiate themselves which one are to be going to the industry for this purpose and which are going to be in another industry for this purpose. So there is just the input-output differentiation. Means what? Whenever you are having a DC machine at your disposal, you are giving it the mechanical input and taking out the electrical output from it, then it behaves like the DC generator. Whenever you are giving it the electrical input and taking out the mechanical output from it, it will behave like a DC motor. There is no such differentiation between them that we can have, and by seeing them, it is just impossible to know whether it is DC generator or motor. Only the nameplate that is there, it can say it is a motor or a generator. Many of the time, in my case, in my Grand Viva, there was a question, and teachers preferably ask this question to confuse us, and they think that, okay, this kind of things actually to be taught to the students, because in the industry they will be asked this kind of question. So you have to know that in case of machine construction, there is no separate changes that you can be able to possibly, just by seeing them, you can just differentiate between them. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I guess this was interesting. That is why I have made this video. I will be discussing this kind of topics in my future videos also. If you like this, then please subscribe to my channel, then you will be notified for those videos. Thank you.